Slug Wizard is an annual miniature making competition. The most recent prompt was Hunted, so I went ahead and made a mini that hunts slug wizards. This competition concluded back in September, but the guy making these videos takes forever. Sorry about that. I think I had a bit of a frog in my throat. I wanted this toad's pose to be a bit more dynamic, so I started by giving him a longer neck. Perfect. I wanted him to look like he's kinda lurching forward with a big open mouth. The rods hold his head in place while I use milliput to fill the gaps and match the existing textures. For the feet, I tried to mimic real toad feet. Unfortunately, they turned out a bit too much like a certain frog I know. The original style's way better. Okay, so let's take a step back here. The reason I'm making a toad is because, according to a quick Google search, toads are a slug's biggest predator, and I just recently recast some of these guys, so I wanted to use them. I used polymer clay on an armature of wire and tinfoil to make the protruding tongue of this huge beast. And also a little slug. I mean, how would you know that this beast hunts slug wizards if it isn't in the act of catching one? He needs a rider though. Everything's better when it has a smaller version of itself on top of itself. He also needs some sort of saddle too, and something that fits the aesthetic. So I went with lily pad. It's a little silly, I know, but this is fantasy. Now comes the fun bit. Power tools. Using big tools to make little things. What's he got there? A slug? No. A slug wizard. Just got a few more details to finish this guy up. Make the rider look a bit more special than your average grunt. I let some green stuff cure around this rod, and then I carved it into a little spear for this guy. Look at that bad boy. Paint time. Man, I love these speed paints. Just slop it on, does most of the work. And they're wet enough, you can just mix it right on the model. So it was a lot of fun to make this guy. But there's a ton of great other entries. Go check them out. I'll link everything down below. Follow Slug Wizards on Instagram and maybe you can participate next time. I mean, why not? I just added a few highlights to finish it off. Okay, this pen has been very helpful for tiny eyes. Just brings it all together. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya!